Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Angry Birds Space. To enjoy this beloved classic, you'll need to look for an older version of the game, often found as an APK file for Android devices. Since it's no longer widely available on modern app stores, this is the most common and reliable way to experience its unique zero-gravity physics and iconic characters. It's a fantastic journey back to one of the most creative entries in the series. To get started, search online for Angry Birds Space APK on a trusted third-party website. Before installing, you'll need to enable Install from Unknown Sources in your device's security settings. Once downloaded, simply tap the file and follow the straightforward on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Always exercise caution and ensure your source is reliable to protect your device. Angry Birds Space introduces unique gameplay mechanics, most notably its zero-gravity environments and planetary gravity wells. These elements require strategic thinking to slingshot your birds around celestial bodies. You'll also encounter new birds, like the laser bird, which can target specific points, and the ice bird, which freezes structures. With over 300 levels across 10 distinct planets, there's plenty of content to explore. Now you're all set to dive into the cosmic adventure of Angry Birds Space. Relive the excitement of this beloved physics-based puzzle game, mastering the unique gravitational pulls to achieve impressive high scores. Don't forget to discover hidden bonus levels and collectible items scattered throughout your journey. It's a fantastic way to enjoy one of the most creative and engaging entries in the entire Angry Birds series.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.